Hello everyone, there are so many times when we are use icon in our UI UX design project, but in that case we may use icon Figma icon plugin. But I think icon plugin has limitations. Like if you use material icon, in that case you just find material UI plugins icon. But today I will introduce with you such a wonderful website. From that website you can collect all your icon, and you can also find various websites icon. The website is iconar.app. When you came to this website you will see this type of interface, and here you see some of the most popular icon websites list, like feather icon, iconic icons, hero icons, tabular icons. And if you scroll down you will see other popular website like Eva icon is so much popular, I think, and bootstrap icon. And if you more scroll down you will see here material icon, and here you see remix icon. So when you came to this website you will see this type of interface, and here from this search bar you can search the website name like hero icons or feather icons. Like if you type FEA, here you see feather icons. So if you are looking for icons from feather icons a website, then in that case you have to click open in app, and after open in tab, here open in tab, you have to you can search the, you can categorize the topic of your icons. Like if you are looking for data related icon, then just click data, and here you see all data related icon. But if you don't need, then just hit all or select all, and here you see all icons. And if you are looking for like home icon, then just type home, and here you see the home icon. If you just click here, it copy it, and here you see from here you can also increase or decrease the size of your icons. And here you see the stroke size of the icon. If you need 3 stroke size icon, then just click here, and if you need 48 pixel icon, then just type 48, and I think this is one is okay. Intent size, and here you see other important filters options. And you can also change the icon color from here. And if you use this icon in your web development project, then you can also use this format. But if you don't need, then just you can also download SVG, or if you don't want to download, then just click here, and after that you have to go your Figma project file, and if you paste here, then you will see your icon. This is so in that case in this ways you can use any icon in your project in Figma. Like if you are looking for any other icons like data related icons, then just type data, and here you see data icons. Just click here, and you have to paste here in your Figma project file. So in this ways you can download or use all related icons in your UI UX design project. So I am requesting you to subscribe my channel, because this is very new channel. So if you subscribe my YouTube channel and watch my YouTube video, then I will be motivated to record this type of UI UX design tips and tricks videos. That's why I request you to subscribe my channel, and feel free to share your opinion. Also I request you to share my videos with your UI UX design friends, family members, and other colleagues who are interested in UI UX design sector. So thank you guys, bye bye.